Welcome to PremiumSelectSupplies.com. Our latest video is on the Hogue X1 Microflip folding knife. But before I continue, please subscribe to our channel right now. Make sure to like the video and please share this with your friends and family. All right, so the Hogue X1 Microflip is available in multiple handle colors. This one is in matte black. And the knife features a 2 3/4 inch blade, and that's made from CPM 154 stainless steel. So it easily and quickly opens and shuts when you use the push button locking mechanism. So I can press that, but then I can use the flip. And this will get smoother the more you use it. So out of the box, it's going to be a little bit stiff. And I've tried to break this in a little bit more. And then it does have a locking mechanism here to lock that blade into place. Pull that back, push the button, and we can close that knife. So this is $157.46. That does include free shipping, and that's at PremiumSelectSupplies.com. And again, make sure to subscribe if you are interested in seeing new knife videos, new knives released on the market currently, deals, specials, discount codes. Make sure to subscribe right now. Again, like this video. That helps us out a lot, and please share this with your friends and family. Thank you.